Hey guys, finally we're here in Milan with our friend Marlene. Yeah, all the way from Cologno, and then so it says about an hour drive, more than an hour. So right now we're having our coffee. I'm having the cappuccino, and Marlene also the scone. So finally, guys, we are here at Duamo Church. Oh, look at that in Milan. Duamo Church in Milan. This is Duamo in Milan. So we are now inside the Duamo Cathedral in Milan. And look at that. The details, architectural of the church. Ceiling. Oh my. This is beautiful. So we are now inside the Galleria Milano. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Galleria Milano. Hey guys, this is a good fortune here inside the Galleria in Milan, and you have to put here and then turn around and then make a wish. Inside the Gallery building in Milan, so you can also see some signature boutique, Gucci, Fendi, and up here is Prada. Oh my gee, this is beautiful. So we are here, guys, in front of the building of Theater of Milan, Scala di Milano. Teatro Scala di Milano. Here in downtown Milan. Yes, right here. And this is the Teatro alla Scala. Okay guys, we are now here in front of the Francesco Castle. Yeah, so beautiful. Francesco Castle in Milan, Milano. Okay guys, we're here in front of the Castellos Francesco. Okay, it's hard to pronounce. So we are now at the center inside the Castellos Francesco's Castle. Okay guys, I am here in front of the Tower of Filarete in Milan. Okay guys, we are now here at St. Ambrose Church in Milan, and this is the oldest church in Milan. Guys, we are here right now at St. Ambrose Church, the oldest church in Milan. So in the 14th century, the oldest church in Milan, St. Ambrose. Milano Italiano. So we are now here inside the St. Ambrose Basilica. So guys, we are here at a Chinese-Japanese restaurant. Eat all you can. Yan. The Chinese-Japanese rest, my favorite. And my favorite, sotanghon, pancit guisado, bihon, kibaw. Hello, we are here right now after lunch. We are here at the central station of Milan. May pa-apple pa sila dito. Yeah. So pretty. Guys, we are here in Isola Passerella Gioia in Milan. Yeah, the building so tall and high. Hey guys, we are here in front of the forest building in Milan. Look at that.